Hey guys! So today we're gonna be doing the rocket launcher challenge. That's the best name I can come up with. We're gonna step on that red thing right there, and and then the rocket is gonna go flying off. We're gonna see who can get the farthest. Okay? Okay.
If I win, I get hot chocolate.
If you win, I guess you can have hot chocolate. Okay. We're limited on time, so let's get started. Stewie, go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
All right, Stewie, go stand by it.
Oh, and guys, after all these shots, after all of us make
Okay,
shots,
now stay there, Stewie.
we're gonna have like a trick shot thing. It's not a
All right, hold on. So Stewie, stay there. Sorry if the screen's a little shaky, guys. Okay. So I guess Jonathan's going up next, and then are you riding your bike or are you stepping on it, Jimmy? Here you go.
Either way, it's not gonna go far.
Yeah. Okay. All right, Jonathan, you ready? You ready? 3, 2, 1. Yo! Yo! Jonathan, come in there. Yo, look at that.
I want my hot chocolate ball.
Yo! Okay, give me the rocket. You stay there. Don't move. Okay. Okay. Here you go.
Okay, so I'm
You can just tape it from there. Okay.
I'm about to send it.
Okay. Jimmy, do it when you're ready. That's Jimmy's bike on the ground, by the way.
Can I get a retake?
No.
No, I hit with the foot of my foot.
No one else is getting a retake. Doesn't matter.
Can I get a retake if you won't? No.
No, why'd you pick it up? Put it back down.
Hey, Bobby.
All right.
Could I legit get a retake? My foot
No,
hurts.
doesn't matter.
No?
Sorry, no. Leave it up, really. Okay, Stewie, stand up. Stand up.
Why does Jimmy get a retake?
He doesn't. He doesn't get a retake. Okay, so you're gonna
cut this. No thanks.
We don't need retakes.
Well, I do. My foot hurts. I hit that totally wrong. I know, but
Not again.
All right. Are you zoomed in? Can you see me good?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's up. All right. So yeah, this is the comparison
what about my bike?
from me to Stewie to Jonathan.
I won. I want my hot chocolate.
Okay. So
That's where Jamie would be, and then there's Jonathan.
okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. We had a lot of fun making this video.
No, we're doing some more stuff.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.